There is one night in Buddha's life that changed everything, the night he faced fear, doubt, and silence beneath the Bodhi tree. On certain nights, alter a person permanently, and some evenings, alter the world, after years of looking, pain, and sacrifice. At last, Siddhartha Gautam reached the point at which he would become the Buddha. A quiet evening, a tree of worship, and one last struggle, in the head. This is the tale of the night under the Bodhi tree. Arrival at Bodh Gaya. Siddhartha continued to walk after abandoning the life of extremes, through woodlands via villages, through peaceful, seemingly endless highways. He eventually arrived at a serene location close to the Neranjara river one evening, and he noticed a massive tree there in the silence. The Bodhi tree. Old, quiet, tranquil. Something changed within him when the wind blew through its leaves. He was certain that this was the location. The final vow. Siddhartha took a seat under the tree. He shut his eyes. His body became still. He started to breathe steadily and slowly. He then took a vow. Until I find the truth, I will not leave this place. He really did mean it. He would not be moved by fear. He wouldn't be driven away by any darkness. The years-long search was soon coming to an end. The night grows deeper. The woodland became quiet as darkness fell. The sky grew gloomy. The breeze became milder. And Siddhartha deepened his meditation under the Bodhi tree. Old memories started to surface inside of him. The pain returned. Doubt returned. His mind began to whisper questions. What happens if this route doesn't lead anywhere? What if enlightenment is merely a fantasy? However, he did not resist those ideas. He didn't flee from them. He just observed, silently, with patience, similar to clouds moving across the heavens. The battle with Mara. Then he was challenged by Mara. Who are you to pursue enlightenment? Siddhartha gave a silent response. He extended his hand and made contact with the ground. The earth itself became his witness at that same instant, a testament to his veracity, an observer of his voyage, a testament to his resolve. And Mara disappeared in that moment. The illusion had vanished, the blackness disintegrated. Touching the earth, something remarkable occurred as daybreak gradually drew near. His inner gloom started to lessen. It was replaced by total comprehension. He could definitely see misery. He witnessed the never-ending cycle of rebirth and birth, and he saw the path beyond it. After years of searching, he finally found the solution. Siddhartha Gautam transformed into